All right, so this one seems kind of fun. We're going to do word frequencies. We're going to get Alice in Wonderland from the Project Gutenberg, and then we're going to go through and try and do some word frequencies. Basically figuring out kind of what words appear in there most frequently. So we're going to need to clean this up first. We're going to split everything, and then we're going to go through and remove all punctuation using this command right here. Yeah, I think this is gonna work out okay. So, well, I hope. We'll see. Hopefully it's not a disaster like last time. I'll try and do a better job at pausing this. Also, skip, watch it double time, skip ahead, whatever you need to do. All right, so just for quality of life, I am going to copy some code from last time. I'm going to get this thing. I just want to be able to read some of what I really like out of this one is just not having to read every single last thing in there. I want to be able to just get like the first 20 lines or so and deal with that. So I'm not looking at the entire text. Let's just delete this over a little bit. Hopefully I'll remember to remove it like I didn't do last time. All right, so in here, I need to just look through all the lines of this. I need to split everything up and add it to like a full list of words, and I need to clean. So I think I need to like, my tasks here are to, let's see, first things, 1, split all words. 2, I need to strip out extra words, extra punctuation. So I need that other stuff. And then number 3, I need to, I think, just create a dictionary. And dictionary where key is word, key equals word, value equals number of appearances. So it's kind of same as before. So I think it'll be, the key will be a string and then the value will be an integer. Whenever if the thing's not in there already, I need to set it equal to 1, and then if I find it in there, I need to add 1 to that value. So that should be straightforward. The one thing I'm wondering about is, I don't know if it says this in here, but does it matter if it's like capital? It shouldn't matter if it's capital or lowercase. I don't know if it says in here. We'll see. I don't think it should, but I'll have to, maybe I will find out and I'll come back and see if this works or not. If it doesn't work, I'll come back and update the instructions for you. All right, so let's take a look at this. We're going to split all the words. I don't know if I'm actually going to loop through just the first 20, but anyway, so let's just get all the words. I'm going to make all words to be a list, and then I'm going to loop through. I'm just going to loop. Yeah, let me just make sure I'm actually getting out what I think I should be getting out. Let's print the first 20 lines. No, I'm not sure what's going on with that. What did I do? Maybe I hit the wrong button. Alice in Wonderland. Okay, that would be helpful if that wasn't there. So let's run this. Okay. All right, looks pretty good. I don't think they care, because I mean they have like the Project Gutenberg thing in here. So I think they want all that stuff to be in the code, right? They want to exclude that. All right, so let's take a look at this into our code. So we have all that. I don't think, actually, I'm going to go back on what I said. I don't think I want to do this. Just for every line in here, I want to do all words dot extend, and then line dot split by this. Actually, yeah, I can do the first 20 just so I don't have to loop through the entire thing. I think this should be right. I really want to print out the contents. Let's just do the first 20 lines. That looks pretty good. I wonder if there's anything else I can do in here. We're splitting that. I think that's fine for now. I am wondering, like, I kind of think we'll have to delete all of that. But let's do this. I want to make a, all right, so now I have all the words in there split out. I need to go through this and now take out a bunch of stuff in here. So I'm going to use this. I think I'm going to make a lambda function called strip excess. That's going to be that. Is that going to work? I may need to apply it. That might not work the way I thought. Nah. I think I have to apply that actually to the thing. So let's see. I think the easiest way is just to search through for words in all words, words dot strip this thing out, and then let's make maybe one we'll call like clean words is equal to that. 4 words in there, and then we would do clean words dot append. This should work. And let's down here, let's do print clean words. All right, now one thing I saw on here, like I'm curious, but this thing is like totally got erased. How about I might do something like this. If let's do single clean word. I don't know if this is really necessary, but just to be safe, like this should be a single clean word, and then I'm gonna say if the length of this clean word is not 0. Actually, I could probably just do if clean word. Because I think if you do this way, I think you can do this where just checking to see if it exists, if it's not a blank space. I think this should work. And I'm going to add that to that. If the word exists, append. I think I could just do then clean word. Let's try that. Let's see. We should see if yeah. Okay, so that did work. This kind of if clean word thing does work. Because I saw in here, I had these kind of empty things, and now those have been erased. So that's a good sign. All right, I think I'm kind of like almost all the way done here. I mean, all I have to do is now make a dictionary. I have everything kind of cleaned out. And now all I need to do is go through there and make a dictionary. So that should be pretty straightforward. I feel like I should probably start cutting these things into different methods. This method's getting a little bit bulky, but that's okay for right now. Okay, so let's say word frequencies. Word frequencies is going to be a dictionary. And then what am I going to do? I need to loop through the cleaned words list for word and cleaned words. If word in word frequency. So if it's in the dictionary already. If word in word frequency, then word frequency. Word, access that thing, increase it by 1. And really, it's kind of helpful to look at this thing first, because if it's not in there, if we're adding word for the first time, then we should say word frequency word is going to be equal to 1. So if we find something, we should increase. If it's already there, we should increase it by 1. If we are adding that word for the first time, we just need to set its value partner to be 1. And then we want to return word frequency. Okay. All right, let's try and run that. Let's delete all that. Hopefully we don't have anything in there. Now we can try this. Oops. This is like some test cases in here. Comment all these out. Also, the length of the dictionary should be. Let's just print a couple little check things. I should probably just run the test, but let's try this. Okay, interesting. Oh man, am I gonna do the same dumb thing where I'm only looking at the first 20 lines? Oh, I can't possibly do that twice, right? Definitely can. Let's try one. All right, so I got 3, and then in here it's saying I should have. Oh, I got 2,423 words. It's got 4,224 words. Oh no. Oh, I keep it marking. I think you guys can probably stop it here. I'm gonna go through and do some debugging, but I think I hit the gist of it here. Oh no. Except something I messed up. I know there's one that normally causes some issues on here. I forget what happened. Incorrect word count for Carol. That's kind of interesting. I mean, we could test this. It says Carol should be in there 3 times. How many am I getting? print D. I'm getting 2 in there. It should be 3 apparently. Let's look through. I don't trust them. Let's check. 1, 2. All right. So what's going on here that we're not getting? I see 1, 2, 3, right? Oh, are we discarding that first line? That's probably what I'm doing. I'm discarding the first line left over from last time. And I don't want to do that. So let's try that again. Let's run this. I'm still getting 2,423 words when it should be 2,224. That is disastrous. Well, you know, I think I might have outsmarted myself. I wonder if I added in, because I'm doing this clean word thing, so I'm deleting a bunch of ones that are just empty. What if I just delete this? Comparing this to other solutions, and I think that's the only difference I really see. My code looks same as other solutions. Yep, that did it. Being too smart is always a problem. Yeah, because apparently a empty character is in fact a word. I strongly disagree, but okay.